The National Bureau of Statistics says it has commenced a national integrated household survey. The Statistician General of the Federation, Semiu Adeniran, made this known while addressing newsmen in Abuja. Adeniran stated that the spending and income generation patterns of households, as well as the saving culture and educational status of occupants of different homes, will be captured. He says the data collected will help government come up with policies and programs that will make lives better for Nigerians.
With the primary objective of generating reliable estimates on household income and expenditure, as well as insight into their economic behavior and financial situation. Specifically, the scope of the survey covers the educational background and status of the household members, their consumption and expenditure profiles, household assets and properties, access to financial services and credit constraints, incomes and savings, as well as information on household enterprises, among others. The importance of this survey is not in any doubt. On completion of the survey, the results will serve as a veritable source of data for tracking the success or otherwise of several policies and interventions put in place in recent years by government in response to the macro and socioeconomic effect of COVID-19 pandemic on household and individuals. As is the case with our surveys and statistical activities, technology will play a significant role in this process. Data collection will be done electronically and transmitted real-time online to minimize error, improve quality, and make for a more efficient process. This will also be complemented by remote and face-to-face monitoring for further ensuring good quality data. I want to assure you that the information provided will be purely used for statistical purposes only, and the information will be treated with utmost confidentiality.
The household integrated survey is a survey that will generate information on households, pattern of consumption, income generation, house availability, consumption pattern, and even their residency. This will help us articulate policies that will be able to give a very good sound direction in terms of the impact on the economy. This collaboration is well thought of, well designed, in line with international standard, so that even if there's any compatibility with any other country, we don't so, in order to see in order to benchmark us with other ways of work.
The collaboration, which is targeting to get data from the households, is expected to guide the government in making the proper policy and then evaluating the existing policies to see how it can be fine-tuned. And so, of course, the households, most of the policies that government bring out is to impact on the people, their welfare and everything about them. And so when you have the household being vibrant, definitely the economy will progress. We'll look at things that relates to poverty, we'll look at their consumption pattern and their income, and then see how they are benefiting from most of the policies that's already been initiated. Like the Statistician General mentioned that after following the exit of the COVID-19 and the policies that government has initiated, there is need to look at how these things has impacted on the households. And of course, government will take it up from there to see more policies that will be initiated that will take this economy to a better level. It's going to cut across both the rural and the urban households. Based on the structure of the population, we had the design and partitioned it in that structure to make sure that we cover enough of that in every state across the country. And so the indicators that will be collected from them will cut across all these households. And then these households have been randomly selected, so it's not like we predetermined any household, but at random they were selected to ensure that the randomization ensures that you are not just talking to a certain type of household, and so you are going to meet both the poor and the rich households during the summer.